A Bitcoin bombshell, $13 million a coin? Hold on to your hats, folks. Michael Saylor just dropped a Bitcoin bombshell. He says Bitcoin could hit $13 million per coin. That's right, 13 million. Is he crazy? Or is he onto something huge? Let's break it down. Saylor's prediction is making waves in the financial world. Some people think he's lost his mind. Others think he's a visionary. One thing's for sure, you gotta hear him out. Meet the Bitcoin believer Michael Saylor. So, who is this Michael Saylor guy? He's not some random crypto bro. Saylor is a big deal in the business world. He's the CEO of MicroStrategy, a software company. But here's the kicker. Saylor is a huge Bitcoin bull. He put his money where his mouth is. Saylor invested billions of dollars of his company's money in Bitcoin. He's all in, and he's betting big on its future. Saylor's big bet. Why $13 million? Saylor's prediction isn't based on wishful thinking. He's got a whole theory behind it. He believes Bitcoin could become a major global asset. Think gold, but digital. Saylor says Bitcoin could capture 7% of global wealth. That's a lot of money flowing into Bitcoin. And if that happens, $13 million a coin might actually be possible. Bitcoin's rise, the fuel for the fire. Saylor's prediction might sound crazy, but here's the thing. Bitcoin has been on a tear. It went from being a niche internet currency to a mainstream investment. More and more people are jumping into the Bitcoin bandwagon. Big institutions are getting in on the action too. Tesla, Square, even some banks are buying Bitcoin. This is adding fuel to the fire, and it's giving Saylor's prediction more credibility. Section 5, Bitcoin's roadblocks, not so fast. Okay, so Bitcoin is hot right now, everyone's talking about it, and it seems like it's the future of money. The price is skyrocketing and people are excited about the potential profits. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While the excitement is understandable, it's important to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. There are still some major roadblocks. The volatility of Bitcoin's price can be a significant concern. One day it's up, the next day it's down. This unpredictability can be stressful for investors. Governments are starting to crack down on crypto. Regulatory bodies around the world are scrutinizing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies more closely. They are implementing new laws and regulations that could impact the market. They don't like that it's decentralized and hard to control. Governments and financial institutions are used to having control over currency, and Bitcoin challenges that status quo. And then there's the technology itself. Bitcoin operates on a complex technology called blockchain, which, while revolutionary, is still in its early stages. Bitcoin is still a relatively new technology. It has only been around for a little over a decade, and there are still many unknowns about its long-term viability and scalability. It can be complex and confusing. Understanding how Bitcoin works requires a steep learning curve, and not everyone is tech-savvy enough to grasp it easily. And it's not always easy to use. The user experience can be frustrating, with complicated processes for buying, selling, and storing Bitcoin securely. These are all challenges that Bitcoin needs to overcome. While the potential is enormous, the road ahead is filled with obstacles that need to be addressed for Bitcoin to truly become a mainstream currency. Section 6. What's it mean for your wallet? In today's fast-paced financial world, understanding how Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies impact your wallet is crucial. So, should you be rushing to buy Bitcoin? It's a question many are asking as they see headlines about skyrocketing prices and sudden drops. Look, I'm all about making money. Who doesn't want to see their investments grow and their financial dreams come true? But I'm also about being smart with your money. Bitcoin is incredibly volatile. It's a roller coaster ride. One moment, you're on top of the world, and the next, you're plummeting. You could make a lot of money. Imagine the thrill of seeing your investment double or even triple in a short period, or you could lose your shirt. The reality is, for every success story, there's a cautionary tale of someone who lost it all. Here's the bottom line. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to a healthy investment strategy, especially not in something as risky as Bitcoin. The market can be unpredictable, and it's essential to spread your risk. If you're thinking about investing, do your homework. Research thoroughly, understand the market trends, and know what you're getting into. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. It's better to dip your toes in the water than to dive in head first and regret it later. And be prepared to lose what you invest. This isn't to scare you, but to prepare you. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but fraught with risks. Educate yourself continuously. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Stay informed and stay cautious. Remember, your financial health is a marathon, not a sprint. Plan wisely, invest smartly, and always keep your long-term goals in sight. With the right approach, you can navigate the ups and downs of the market and come out ahead. So take a deep breath, stay informed, and make decisions that are right for you and your wallet. Section 7. Crypto, the wild, wild west of investing. The crypto world is like the wild west of investing. It's full of excitement, potential, and danger. There are no rules, no sheriff, and no safety net. You're on your own. This is what makes it so exciting for some. But it's also what makes it so risky. It's important to remember that. Don't let the fear of missing out or FOMO cloud your judgment. Section 8. Bitcoin, digital gold, or fool's gold. Some people call Bitcoin digital gold. They believe it's a safe haven asset that will protect you from inflation. Others think it's fool's gold. They say it's a bubble that's going to burst. Who's right? Honestly, nobody knows for sure. Bitcoin is still a new asset class. It's too early to say what the future holds. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be a wild ride. Section 9. Don't bet the farm. Diversification is key. In the world of investing, one of the most important principles to remember is diversification. This means spreading your investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. No matter what you think about Bitcoin, whether you see it as the future of finance or just a passing trend, one thing is clear: diversification is key. By diversifying, you protect yourself from the volatility of any single investment. A well-diversified portfolio can help you weather the ups and downs of the market. Don't put all your money in one asset, spread it out. This means investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Each type of investment has its own risk and return profile, and by combining them, you can achieve a more stable overall return. Invest in stocks, which offer growth potential, bonds, which provide income and stability, real estate, which can offer both income and appreciation, and yes, even a little bit of crypto if you're feeling adventurous. Cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, but they also offer the potential for high returns. Just make sure it's a small part of your portfolio. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building wealth over time, not getting rich quick. Patience and discipline are key. Slow and steady wins the race. Consistent long-term investing is more likely to lead to success than trying to time the market or chase the latest hot stock. Don't get caught up in the hype. Make smart decisions based on your own research and risk tolerance. It's easy to be swayed by sensational news or the fear of missing out, but sticking to your plan is crucial. And always be prepared for the unexpected. Having an emergency fund and a solid risk management strategy can help you navigate financial uncertainties. Diversification, patience, and preparation are the cornerstones of a successful investment strategy. Section 10. Stay informed. The crypto roller coaster continues. The world of crypto is constantly changing. New coins are popping up all the time. Regulations are evolving. It's a lot to keep track of. But it's important to stay informed. Read everything you can get your hands on. Follow the experts. And most importantly, think for yourself. Don't just blindly follow the crowd. The crypto roller coaster is just getting started. Buckle up.